Hey guys, it's Rachel with Career China. I think we can all agree one of the most important things in life is going to the movies. In China, the easiest way to plan a movie outing is with the app WeChat. With WeChat, you can find a theater near you, buy your movie tickets, and choose which seat you want to sit in. But it can be a bit tricky if you can't read any Chinese. And when you live in a country with 1 billion people, if you can't figure out how to buy a movie ticket, you might be stuck with a really sucky front row seat. Don't worry, it's not that hard to do. Today we're going to show you how to buy a movie ticket in China step by step. First, open WeChat on your phone. Click on the Discover tab and then click WeChat Pay. Scroll down and click on the Movie Tickets button. From there, you will be taken to a list of available movies currently showing in theaters. The movies with red buttons are currently playing, and the ones with blue buttons are movies not yet out but available for early bird buying. Click your selection. Here you can choose the date of the movie that you want to see how far each theater is from your current location, and the prices for tickets. After a theater is chosen, the next page shows movie times. There is also a location icon at the top of this page that shows exactly where the theater is from your current location. You even have the option to transfer this location to other map apps such as Google or Apple Maps if you want to read the location in English. Just make sure to turn your VPN on for Google Maps. We'll return to this later. If you are trying to watch an English language film, keep a lookout to confirm it is not dubbed in Chinese. Otherwise, your movie outing will suddenly become a spontaneous Chinese language lesson. Make sure it either says this, meaning English, or this, meaning original. Now pick your seats. The seat icons colored white mean that they are available, and the red ones mean that they are already reserved. Once your seats are chosen, click the orange button to complete your purchase. A new page will pop up showing the date, time, and seating for your movie. It will also have the QR code for retrieving your physical tickets. You can return to this page later by going to the Chats tab and clicking on your receipt service messages. When in doubt, look for the receipt with the cat icon or the characters Dianying, which means movie. Click at its center to return to the QR code page. Once there, click the link at the top to return to the theater's page to see the location map again. It is a live map, so you can simply navigate your way to the theater or show a taxi driver the address at the bottom of the page. Keep an eye out for these characters in the address, Lo or Sung. These refer to the building floor in which the theater is located. As you can see, this theater is located at the first basement level. Meeting somebody at the theater? Let's share the map location. Click the 3 dots at the top right corner and add the theater's location to your favorites. Return to the main WeChat menu and then click onto the Me tab. Click Favorites and the theater will be the first location you see as it is the most recently added. Click on it and you will be back on the map page. This time around, however, the 3 dots will have an option called Send to Chat. Click it and then type into the search bar the name of the WeChat contact whom you want to share with. Once you are at the theater, look around for the ticket vending machines. They are usually located near the entrance. Simply pull up the QR code and hold it to the scanner. Retrieve the ticket and give it to the ticket checker. They will confirm your ticket and give you your 3D glasses. On your ticket, the symbol this character reads is Hao. The number next to it will be the auditorium in which the movie is playing. The number next to the character Pi is for seating row, and the number next to the character Zuo is your seat number. You can find row numbers on or near the ground at the edge of each row, and seat numbers on the seats. And that's it! If you have any other questions, please comment below or go to Career China's Instagram or Facebook. And I'll see you at the movie.